Is it time to buy or sell Exxon stock? Welcome to this in-depth analysis of Exxon. Our initial report, published on Tuesday, October 10, 2023, was just the beginning. Today, we're going to delve even deeper and provide you with valuable insights. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest analysis. Missing out on important updates that could impact your investments is the last thing you want. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our groundbreaking AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Unleash the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Brace yourself. Since October 10, 2023, our system has tagged Exxon as a sell candidate, earning it a disappointing score of -1.10. But wait, there's more. Let's dive into the thrilling roller coaster of Exxon stock performance during this period. Buckle up, folks. We'll be closely monitoring this nail-biting evaluation to witness the twists and turns that lie ahead in the coming days. Imagine a stock that is currently in the lower part of a wide and strong rising trend. This could be an incredible opportunity for you to buy. However, if the lower trend floor at $107.61 is broken, it might indicate a slower rate of rising and even a potential trend shift. Exciting, isn't it? Now, let's take a closer look at the 3-month trend. It suggests a possible change of 12.67% over the next 3 months, giving you a potential return between 9.77% and 24.61%. That's a pretty impressive range to consider. Looking further ahead, the 12-month trend predicts a 0.97% change over the next year. This means you could see a return between -8.13% and 9.92%. In terms of price, we're talking about a range of $101.47 to $121.41 after a year. Now that's something to think about. Welcome back to our daily update for Exxon. Today's headline reads, Weaker technical forecast for Exxon as stock downgraded to sell candidate. Exciting, isn't it? Let's dive into the latest numbers. Yesterday, the Exxon stock experienced a slight dip of -0.424%. From $110.92, it closed at $110.45. Throughout the trading day, there was a 1.21% fluctuation, with the lowest point at $110.12 and the highest at $111.45. Interestingly, the stock has been declining in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a negative change of -5.12%. However, we noticed something positive: the volume decreased alongside the stock, which usually indicates a good sign. Specifically, the trading volume fell by -8 million shares, with a total of 12 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.31 billion in value. Let's take a broader look. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for Exxon stock was $126.54, while the lowest was $96.75. Currently, the price stands at $110.45, which is 12.72% lower than the 52-week high of $126.54. It's worth noting that $126.54 is also the all-time high for this stock. Exciting times in the world of Exxon. Get ready for the latest analyst ratings. On Friday, October 6, 2023, Morgan Stanley made a significant move with ExxonMobil, giving it an equal weight grade and a hold action. That same day, Piper Sandler showed their confidence in ExxonMobil with an overweight grade and a hold action. And not to be outdone, Raymond James also weighed in on ExxonMobil, giving it an outperform grade and a hold action. But wait, that's not all. On Monday, September 25, 2023, Morgan Stanley once again made a move with ExxonMobil, this time giving it an overweight grade and a hold action. And going back even further, on Thursday, September 21, 2023, RBC Capital had their say, giving ExxonMobil a sector perform grade and a hold action. Wow! Analysts are super bullish on Exxon stock, giving it a strong buy rating. And guess what? They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as a strong buy too. But wait, there's more. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rather neutral rating. Alright folks, let's dive into the exciting world of Exxon and explore the signals that have been identified. Brace yourselves, because a buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, October 6, 2023, propelling the stock to a remarkable 3.06% increase. And guess what? The rise isn't over yet. We're anticipating even more growth until a new top pivot is discovered. But, hold on, there are some negative signals in the mix as well, which could impact the near short-term progress. The Exxon stock has sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, painting a rather gloomy picture for its future. To make matters worse, there's a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals, where the long-term average sits above the short-term average. However, if the stock manages to correct itself and increase, it will face resistance at the $111.50 and $113.45 levels. But hey, a breakthrough above these levels could potentially trigger buy signals. And that's not all. We've got a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. But don't fret just yet, as the volume fell alongside the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk since volume tends to follow price movements. Now, here's the exciting part. On Friday, August 25, 2023, the stock had a golden star signal in the long-term chart. This rare occurrence happens when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line align in a special combination. And you know what that usually means? Long and strong gains for the stock in question. Are you ready for some interesting signals? Let's dive in. One signal to watch out for is the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently showing a sell signal. We also have some intriguing signals from the pivots, with a buy signal 3 days ago, and the Bollinger indicators, which also had a buy signal 3 days ago. Keep an eye on the short-term moving average, as it gave a sell signal 8 days ago, while the long-term moving average had a sell signal 6 days ago. The relationship between these two averages showed a buy signal 3 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart for more insights. The short moving average signaled a sell 8 days ago, and the long-term moving average followed suit with a sell signal 4 days ago. However, the relationship between these two averages indicated a buy signal 32 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, head over to our page at StockInvest.us. Ready to dive into the exciting world of Exxon stock? Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss. Picture this: Exxon finds support from accumulated volume at $107.17. Now, this is where things get interesting. This support level can create a golden buying opportunity as an upwards reaction is expected when it's put to the test. And here's the kicker: with its average movements during the day and good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. So, there's potential for some exhilarating gains. Just to give you an idea of its recent performance, in the last day alone, the stock moved $1.33 between its high and low, which is a 1.21% difference. Talk about some exciting action. And over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.36%. Get ready for some exciting insights into Exxon's trading levels. But before we jump in, it's important to go over some fundamental data that will set the stage. Let's start with the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This ratio is a key indicator that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A low PE ratio might suggest a lack of confidence in the company's future or even an undervalued stock. This could be a golden opportunity for savvy investors to consider buying. Now, onto some exciting news. The upcoming earnings report for Q3 2023 is just around the corner, set to be released on October 27, 2023. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.26. Keep a close eye on these numbers, as they have the power to significantly impact stock prices. Welcome back. Today, we're going to dive into some exciting day trading levels for Exxon. Picture this, an upward trend. The first resistance level for Exxon stands at an impressive $116.70. If you're not already invested, hold your horses and wait for this level to be breached. It could be the perfect opportunity to enter the market. And if you're already holding the stock, keep an eye on this level for some potential swing trading action. But what about the downside? We've got you covered. Exxon's first support level sits at $107.17. If this level holds strong, it might just be the golden ticket you've been waiting for. Get ready for a potential rebound and consider it as a fantastic entry point. You won't believe the overwhelming support for Exxon from multiple analyst sources. It's a strong buy. But wait, there's more. Let's dive into some recent insider trades. On September 5, 2023, Tally Darren L. made a surprising move by selling 1,500 shares of common stock. On August 1, 2023, Ubben Jeffrey W. took a bold step and bought 70,962 shares of common stock. Ubben Jeffrey W. wasn't done yet. On the same day, he also purchased 54,038 more shares of common stock. Talk about confidence. Ubben Jeffrey W. made yet another purchase on August 1, 2023, this time acquiring 67,000 shares of common stock, without par value. However, not everyone was as optimistic. On the same day, Williams Jack P. Jr. sold 215 shares of common stock. All these insider moves have contributed to a positive insider power ratio of 83.543, based on the 100 most recent trades. In fact, insiders have purchased a staggering 21,818,772 shares and sold 1,659,775 shares in the last 100 trades alone. Hold on to your seats, folks, because we've got some not-so-great news about this stock. And guess what? No stop-loss has been set. Wondering if Exxon stock is a good investment? Let's dive into the details. The Exxon stock currently shows several negative signals, despite a positive trend. This suggests that Exxon may perform weakly in the days or weeks to come. Our analysis leads us to hold a negative evaluation of this stock. We've even downgraded our previous conclusion from a hold/accumulate to a sell candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. However, there's an interesting twist. Our systems have found that the current price of Exxon is undervalued, based on the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day. Now, let's talk about tomorrow's trading. On Wednesday, October 11th, we expect Exxon to open up at $0.223 higher than the previous day's closing price, at $110.67. Attention! Before you proceed, we want to make sure you're fully aware of the risks involved in trading. It's important to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Remember, StockInvest.us is here to provide information, but the final responsibility lies with you. Your investment choices are your own and you bear the consequences. Welcome, fellow traders. Are you ready to dive into the world of stocks? We've got an exciting view to share with you. But first, we want to hear your thoughts. Do you agree or disagree? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. And hey, what's your target for this stock? We're curious to know. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Now, let's get down to business. Wishing you all successful trading and a truly beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.